नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः त्रयोदशः पाठः अधीतः। तस्य संस्कृतवाक्यानि आङ्ग्लभाषया ज्ञातानि। अधुना यानि आङ्ग्लवाक्यानि सन्ति तासां तेषां भाषान्तरं वयं कुर्मः। एकवारं
English, finish all that Sanskrit sentence to
English, right?
or we left some
Have we? Did we?
like when we do the translation of the Sanskrit to English, do we finish all sentence?
I don't remember. You tell me.
I don't remember either.
Okay, then not all the sentences will do.
Yep, I don't think so. That's why
Okay,
we
Chandrena.
left half of the way.
I think we were up to Chandrena Rajani Shobhate. Late Sprushati we finished. Up to Late Sprushati, I will show you where we were. Here we were. These sentences, I will tell the meaning of all the sentences. Then we will go back to our here. From here we will do Chandrena Rajani. Okay. Vasishthasya patni Arundhati. Arundhati is the wife of Vasishtha. Naryo Harnyanam Vatayinibhyah Pashyanti. The women see from the windows of mansion. Krishna Kalaha Shikshate. The Lord
Krishna learns that
learns arts. Ramo Janakasya Kanyam Parinayati.
Ram marries Janaka's daughter.
The daughter of Janaka. Ganga Samudram Gachati.
The Ganga goes to sea.
Goes to see. Kshama Veerasya Bhushanam.
Forgiveness is the ornament of warrior.
Narayano Jananim Ahvayati.
Narayan calls to the mother.
Calls mother. Upavane
Call.
Vane Kanye Ramete.
Pardon?
Upavane Nrupasya Kanye.
Upavane Nrupasya. King's two daughters are play in the garden.
Playing in the garden. Okay. Late Sprushati.
He or she touches the two creepers.
Chandrena Rajani Shobhate.
The night splendid by the moon.
Okay. Splendid word you are using, right? Shobhate. The night shines through moon or by moon. Nadyahu Sangachete.
Rivers flow together.
Now, you do not refer your notes. Try to identify Kriya Padas from these sentences and then you can apply. If you are not able to, then you can look at your notes. Okay. Kumari Sakhyau Bhashate.
So Bhashate is Atmanepade Kriyapada, right? So Kumari is the virgin. Sakhyau means two sakhis, right? Sakhi, Sakhyau, Sakhyaha. So, so virgin speaks to her to feel like a Sakhyau is a female friends, right? To her two female friends.
Yeah. So the virgin word looks like little weird. The girl speaks to
Kanya.
Kanya means a girl speak to her friends. That's it. Okay. Varahaha sahacharihi shochanti. Now what is kriya? What is karta in this?
Karta is Varahaha. And Shochanti is the Kriyapada. Sahachari is the karma. Varaha is the boars. The boars bewail for the companion, female companion, right?
Yeah. Lajjam त्यजति मूर्खः.
The fool gives up shame.
नटी सूत्रधारस्य भार्या.
The actress is the wife of the chief actor or the manager, right?
Yes. प्रजाः नृपतिना रक्षन्ते.
The people are protected by the king.
The subjects are protected by the king. The progeny is protected by king. उद्यानस्य शोभां पश्यति.
He or she, right? Pashyat. The karta is he or she sees the beauty of the garden.
ललनाः प्रासादतलम् आरोहन्ति.
Like a woman ascend the terrace of the palace.
Ascends the terrace of palace. नृपस्य आज्ञे अनुरुध्येते.
Agne anuruddhete means dual, right? So they too obey the king's order or command, right?
Correct. Then next is Brahmana Mahimatanti.
The Brahmins ramble the earth. Or wander, right? Wander or ramble.
Wander. Gunna,
Wander. Yeah.
It is wander. Wander means आश्चर्यचकित. Wander मतलब घूमना यहाँ वहाँ. रामस्य कथाः श्रूयन्ते.
So they heard or hear the stories of Rama.
The stories of Rama are heard. वने प्रमदे दृश्येते.
He sees two young women in the forest.
There is no he or she. Again, look at the sentence.
One Pramade. Pramade means Pramada is the woman, right?
Pramade. It is dual, but it is
dual. That's why he see two young women in the forest.
Identify voice. Prayoga.
Pardon?
Identify prayoga.
I didn't get it. What do you mean?
Is it kartari or karmani?
Vane Pramade Drishyate. Oh, it's a karmani prayog, right?
Your sentence also should be same. Translation also same. Okay.
Vane is Saptami Vibhakti, right? Pramade is a dual.
Is dual, but Prathama or Dvitiya?
Is a Dvitiya, right?
कर्मणि प्रयोग में द्वितीय कहाँ आती है?
Oh, first, sorry. Prathama, 3-1-1.
So basically, two women are seen into the forest.
Okay.
By someone. So by Tritiya Vibhakti is not put in this sentence, but it can be understood by someone, by him, by them. like by me, something like that. Vapi nagarat kroshau.
I didn't get that. I didn't understand what.
Krosha shabda you should identify. Krosha means 2 miles.
Oh.
The Vapi, the well, is 2 miles.
Hmm.
The city. Krosha shabda we had seen, right?
Yep.
Where was that? It was long back, not in this part.
Yep. Yeah, we saw that.
Hmm. Okay, then we will go further.
Yep.
नृपते
Like
मनस्य भरेण पृथ्वी कंपते.
but how we do the English translation of Vagpi Nagrat Kosho?
The well
Where?
means well is
Hmm.
2 miles from the,
Away from the Nagar
हाँ,
or village.
from city. Yeah, Nagar means city. So the Vapi, the well is 2 miles from city.
Hmm.
नृपते मनस्य भरेण पृथ्वी कंपते. पृथ्वी
The earth shake by the king's army.
भरेण, भर शब्द you have to use that. The earth shakes by the weight. Bharyanam is weight. Bharam, right? Bharam, Bharam, the word we had seen. Bharam also weight. Bharam also weight. Right? So the earth shakes by the weight of the army of king.
Oh, I forgot that weight. Varena.
कुसुमानां मालाः कण्ठात् अपयन्ते.
The garlands of flowers take off or remove from the neck.
Yes. Now next sentences. Narada descends from heaven to the earth.
Naradaha Swargat Pruthivyam Avtarati.
Prithvivyam. You can use Dvitiya Vibhakti actually.
Prithvim
Prithvim
Avatarati.
avatarati. Naradaha Swargat Prithvim avatarati. Krishna tells stories of kings.
Krishnaha Nrupanam Kathaha Kathayati.
कृष्णः नृपाणां कथाः बहुवचन द्वितीया बहुवचन कथयति. Nice. Young women play in the garden.
Ramadaha Udyane Kridanti.
Nice. अथवा रमन्ते. That raman kriyapad also, ramati, ramate kriyapad also you can say. He wears 2 wreaths of flowers on his neck.
Sah Kanthe Pushpamala Dharayati.
Dharati also fine.
Okay. But Dharayati is right too.
Dharayati also fine.
Okay.
Next, Rama's wife salutes Arundhati.
Ramasya Bharya Arundhatim Namati or Abhinandati, right?
Abhinandati doesn't sound.
Abhivadati, sorry.
Vadayati.
Vadayati. Oh, Abhivadayati. Yeah.
Next, we see 2 girls, 2 virgins.
वयम कुमार्यौ पश्यामहे और दृश्यामहे, राइट?
वयम कुमारीं
लो, कुमारी, कुमार्यौ, राइट? द्विवचन.
हाँ, कुमार्यौ, then last there was some गड़बड़.
But like वयम पश्यामहि और दृश्यामहि.
Identify क्रियापदस्पद, whether it is परस्मैपद or आत्मनेपद. If it is परस्मैपद, then you can add परस्मैपदी प्रत्यय. If it is आत्मनेपद, then only you can add आवहे, आमहे वगैरह वगैरह, है ना? तो
पश्यामहि, I don't understand.
पश्यति is परस्मैपदी और आत्मनेपदी.
पश्यति is अपरस्मैपदी.
It is परस्मैपदी, right? So you cannot say पश्यामहे, पश्यावहे, right?
पश्यामहि, right?
You cannot, na? If the root belongs to परस्मैपद, you cannot add
Oh,
आत्मनेपदी.
sorry, पश्यावह, पश्यावह.
हाँ, we
या पश्यावह, पश्यामः.
पश्यामः. तो वयम,
या got it.
वयम.
वयम कुमार्यौ पश्यामः.
If at all you want to use Atmanipadi Pratyaya, so what you can do is you can use Atmanipadi root. What is that? Iksha. Ikshamahe.
इक्षामहे. Yeah, इक्षामहे.
Okay, next. The
Deers.
deers follow the deer.
हरिणस्य सहचरी हरिणम् अनुसरति.
हरिणस्य सहचरी mates, actually बहुवचनम. Mates.
ओ सहचर्याः.
Again, नदी, नद्यै, बहुवचनम.
नदी, नद्यौ, नद्याः.
नद्यः.
ओ नद्यः.
Similarly, सहचरी, सहचर्यौ, सहचर्यः.
सहचर्यः. Sorry. The हरिणस्य सहचर्यः हरिणम् अनुसरति. अनुसरति और अनुसरन्ति.
अनुसरन्ति always. Okay, next. There are 2 wells in the village.
ग्रामे वाप्यौ स्तः.
The chief actor of a play calls the actress.
सूत्रधारः नटीम् आह्वयति.
Hari goes to the river.
हरिः नदीं गच्छति.
Yes. Rama's 2 mothers bewail his departure to a forest.
I was little confused. रामस्य मात्रौ तस्य वनगमनं शोचे थे.
हाँ, शोचेते नहीं होगा, शोचतः. शोचति is a person.
Okay, yeah, I write it down both of them. So शोचतः I write it down too.
That is correct.
Because I was confused.
So Rama's mother, right? So Ramasya matarau, huh? Tapurna, matarau.
Yep.
हाँ. तस्य
वनगमनं शोचतः.
हाँ, वनगमनम is समस्त पद. वनाय गमनम is विग्रह, पदच्छेद. So वनाय गमनम अथवा वनगमनम is fine. Both are fine. शोचतः. Nice. Women go to the wells.
नार्याः
हाँ
वापी
नदी नद्यौ
which one?
नदी शब्द यू यूज वंस नदी नद्यौ plural is what?
No, but we are here. Women go to the wells.
But you are making wrong sentence. That's why I am asking to make nadi shabda once. Nadi, nadyau,
Nadyah,
nadyah. Nari, naryau.
naryah.
You said naryaha. So it was
Oh,
not.
yeah. Naryah vapi vapim gachati.
Wells.
Vapim, right?
Wells. स लगा यस लगाया है वहां.
Oh, vapi
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदीं नद्यौ. The lesson starts with prathama and dvitiya, right? So the words should be memorized like the here.
Yeah, I did memorize.
जो नद्यः
Nadi.
नद्यौ नदीः. So you should remember द्वितीया बहुवचनम नदीः. Similarly वापीः.
Vapi. Yeah.
Next, subjects obey the king's orders.
Yeah, so I write it down vapihi, but I say vapi. I wrote it vapihi.
हाँ बहुवचन should be there, right? Yes. So महिला
Subject.
मलायः अथवा ललनाः. There are many words, प्रमदाः, etc., but all the mean, not all mean different, but in context we have to use different words. Here we can say नार्यः महिलाः वापीः गच्छन्ति. Subjects obey the king's order.
प्रजाः नृपस्य आज्ञाम् अनुरुध्यन्ते.
Again, can you repeat again?
Okay, praja.
It is subjects.
Pragyah.
बहुवचन प्रजा प्रजे प्रजाः.
Yeah, so I write it down, prajaha. I say prajaha.
प्रजा.
Yeah, yeah.
I heard प्रजा शब्द. प्रजा.
No.
हाँ, next.
प्रजाः नृपस्य आज्ञाम् अनुरुध्यन्ते.
आज्ञाः बहुवचनम का क्या होगा? आपने बोला आज्ञा बहुवचन करना. आज्ञा ऑर्डर्स बहुवचन है ना, तो आज्ञाः.
ओहो, आज्ञाः अनुरुध्यन्ते.
हाँ, सो प्रजाः नृपस्य अथवा नृपतेः आज्ञाः अनुरुध्यन्ते. बहुवचन दे क्रियापद. Daughters of Hari learn dancing.
हरेः कन्याः नृत्यं शिक्षन्ति.
क्रियापद is what? Sure.
The Harisya.
No, that is fine. That was perfect. Only Kriyapada I wanted to hear again. Hare kanne
नृत्यं नृत्यः नृत्यं नृत्यानि.
dance is fine. Nrityam.
नृत्यं शिक्षन्ति.
हाँ. What? Kriyapada is what?
नृत्यं शिक्षते और शिक्षन्ति.
Is it Pasmepadi or Atmanepadi? That you have to identify. Shiksha belongs.
Oh, Atmanepadi, shikshate.
So the sentence was the daughters. It is plural.
So shikshante.
Shikshante. Yes. Next, the arts flourish by industry.
कलाः उद्योगेन संवर्धते.
कलाः संवर्धते. Is it?
संवर्धन्ते.
कलाः उद्योगेन उद्यमेन संवर्धन्ते. Next, the wise always practice forgiveness.
तो ज्ञानी सर्वदा सदा क्षमाम् आचरति.
Acharati. Yes. The beauty of the universe captivated the mind.
विश्वस्य शोभा मनः हरति.
Manah harati. The word manah in which vibhakti?
Pardon?
Shabda you used. It is in prathama or dvitiya.
The mind, manako, universe. Like mind is, we have to use the dvitiya, right? Manam.
Manah manas manasi manaunsi. Manah manasi manaunsi. Manah prathama, manah dvitiya. Both look same. So whether you are using prathama or dvitiya, that was the question. Okay.
Oh,
So it is?
dvitiya, manako.
Next. The mother rejoices at the welfare of children.
I don't know, I'm right, but Mata Balkanam Kalyanam Abhinandati.
Rejoices.
Pardon?
Rejoices के लिए rejoice के लिए क्रियापद ये यूज हुआ था आत्मनेपदी क्रियापद.
Abhinandate. Rejoice is like when I went back and looked the dictionary of this book. First, the rejoice is like Abhinandati.
But we haven't seen that word yet, I think. Modate shabda we have seen.
Yeah.
Mata modate.
Okay.
Okay. So mata पुत्राणां कल्याणेन अथवा कल्याणे मोदते. माता पुत्राणां अथवा माता बालकानां कल्याणे मोदते. That is the sentence. In the beginning of the play, the manager calls his wife.
The नाटकस्य आरम्भे सूत्रधारः पत्नीम् आह्वयति.
Now your sound comes very clear. That one is nice, I think.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Men protect women.
पुरुषाः और जनाः नार्यः रक्षन्ति.
नार्यः रक्षन्ति is correct.
नार्यः रक्षति और रक्षन्ति.
You tell me, who is protecting whom?
Because janaha, purushaha, the man is in the plural, so we have to use rakshanti, right? Man rakshanti.
Okay.
Janaha rakshanti.
So
who is the object is woman. So naryaha.
You decline nadi shabda again.
Pardon?
Decline nadi shabda again. Nadi, nadyo.
Nari. Oh, nadyau, nadyah. So naryah. Nari, naryau, naryah.
Dvitiya, dvitiya.
Oh, dvitiya. I forget it. Nari.
Nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Nadim, nadyau. Nadihi.
Nadihi. Yeah.
नारीः.
Narihi.
तो पुरुषाः नारीः रक्षन्.
Rakshan.
The stars beautify the night.
I think I'm wrong. Tarakaha Rajnim Shobhante.
तारकाः.
No. Hmm?
तारकम्. तारकाणि. सॉरी
Oh,
तार. एक मिनट है, मैं देख लेता हूँ, थोड़ा सा यहाँ कंफ्यूजन है. नक्षत्राणि इज फाइन. तारकः इज पुल्लिंग, राइट?
I think so.
ओके. तारकः. तारकम्. तारकम् इज न्यूट्रल जेंडर ओनली.
Okay, so Tarakam, right?
हाँ.
So Tarakani.
तारक.
Tarakani.
हम्म,
Tarakani Rajnim Shobhante.
तारकाणि रजनीं
Shobhante.
शोभन्ते मीन्स टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल.
So beautify.
भूष क्रियापद.
Oh, Bhushayante.
भूषयन्ति अथवा भूषयन्ते, बोथ आर फाइन. यस.
Bhushayante.
नेक्स्ट. Shame is conquered by impudence.
I was confused, so I didn't write it down. Lajja.
Impudence means वैयाक्त, उद्धटपना, है ना? जिसके पास उद्धटपना होता है. The shame is conquered by impudence. So if person has impudence, then the person will not have any shame. He will not be lajja. He will not feel shy about anything. Shy in the sense it is a bad. If he is a vayyakta person, vayyakta in the sense one who doesn't listen any good thing and does whatever he wants to do, that is called impudence. Then the shame will not work or will not help that. He will do whatever he wants. Okay, so shame is conquered by creepers seek the support of trees.
So write it down in English. Like, can you repeat this? Same is conquered by impudence in Sanskrit. Lajja.
Lajja vayyatena jiyate. Now I am making its passive structure. It's conquered, right? Shame is conquered. So lajja jiyate. By what? By impudence. Vayyatena lajja jiyate. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next. Creepers seek the support of trees.
Lata vrukshanam आश्रयम याचन्ते.
Seek means
याचते.
mragayanti, anvishanti. Seek here means to search, to take.
Oh, anvish.
And
Oh, anvekshanam. Anvekshanam. Yeah. Ashrayam.
Okay. लताः वृक्षाणाम् आधारम् अन्विषन्ति अथवा मृगयन्ति. We have seen मृगयति, right? मृगयन्ति.
Yeah.
Leads her female friend to anger.
The nari krodena mitran tyajati.
Mitra shabda is always in neuter gender. Or here they are not asking about mitra, they are asking,
Oh, Sakhya, Sakhim.
so महिला क्रोधेन अथवा क्रोधात् सखिम,
Tyajati.
done. The king owns his subjects as his own progeny.
I didn't get that. I didn't understand the sentence. So,
Okay. Twins ka it's this one. To tend, to take care of, tantrayate. Okay. So the sentence is the king Raja तस्य प्रजाः स्वस्य पुत्रम् इव तन्त्रयते अथवा पालयति. ओके. राजा तस्य प्रजाः तस्य स्वीयान् पुत्रान् इव पालयति अथवा तन्त्रयते. Okay. Now, this is how we come to an end. First, there is 1 minute. There is 1 minute. So I don't think we will complete the next part. But what you can do is Nadi Shabda, Lata Shabda, Dvitiya, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, and Panchami. Then you practice that, you memorize that, as well as try to go through the sentences. The Tritiya Vibhakti I have already introduced. Chaturthi Vibhakti also we had seen. Panchami also, the rules I have shown. In next class also I will show it again. You can go to Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, and based on those rules, you can make next sentences also. So we will see down those sentences in next class.
no, I don't hear your voice. I don't hear.
Okay.
I think you mute.
Am I?
I don't hear your voice.
Actually, now I am audible.
No, I can't hear you.
Hello, hello, hello. Now.